when he contacted Omar&beyond for this work right here. See? Trying to get this yard right. The city came in and put something on the door. You know what I mean? Because we need all this gone. It's like a jungle. You know, all these removed, revamp. Yeah. You see them plants right there? The spiny looking ones? You want to keep those?
If possible. They shoot us some nice flowers.
Oh, yeah. No, we know. We're going to keep those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these,
Yeah, we're going to keep those. And cut everything else around it.
And because I just know that there's two of them back there.
Yeah, I got you.
Right. We're not going to top this tree down. We're going to limit it.
Yeah. No, we just limit it up and get all the brush from the lower bottom. So you can see up under it.
Okay.
I got you.
That was everything.
Yeah. And I remember you said you wanted to get this stump out right here.
Yeah, that stump got to go.
Oh, definitely. I got you.
And I don't know, maybe not take away all the little trees, but they look bad when you finish with that.
Yeah, like them small one right here. Yeah, I got you. All right.
Yeah.
Damn, that's funny.
That's kind of what made me look like, okay, I think, you want to.
We got to work. Yeah, definitely, man. So I'll see you later when you come back.
I'm glad the whole family out here.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I love it.
All right. Yeah, this is the same house from earlier. Yeah. Still got a little pile of trash left. We're still rigging out. Remember earlier, now I got all this. You know, the backyard was looking. It was ugly. Look at it now. Everything about that out today. Yeah.
That felt like a person. Get him out the club. That's like a security.
They gotta put that shit in like this.
Oh yeah, take that. Hey, that's why this is good in the dump truck, bro.
Hey, I'm okay. That's good. That's good right there.
It is a hard angle to get, man.
Big on me. Hey, sit back there.
Yeah, man, Omar&beyond. That's what we do, man. That's fun, man.